Cycling and skipping are effective workouts for losing weight and burning fat. Both cycling and skipping rope help burn calories and improve heart health. Riding a cycle in the morning on a relatively empty road is fun, and so is jumping the rope. But which one is better for your fitness levels? Skipping rope is a high-intensity workout and involves shoulder, arms and core muscle. Additionally, it also requires better coordination. As against this, cycling is comparatively slow and primarily deals with lower body. Cycling also puts less pressure on joints as there is hardly any jerk once wheel is in motion, and thus could suit all age groups including the elderly. Jumping repeatedly on a hard surface in case of skipping can hurt the joints and muscles. Given its high impact, skipping burns nearly 20 calories in a minute, as compared to almost half or 10 calories in cycling. Even short bursts of physical activities can help you with weight loss and is good for your cardiovascular fitness. To understand which workout is better for you, one must decide on the basis of their fitness levels and target. When it comes to losing, let's understand which of the two workouts are better for you. How cycling and skipping can target belly fat. When it comes to losing belly fat, one must make sustainable efforts over a longer period of time instead of taking shortcuts like fad diets or starving themselves. Shedding flab can be made easy with the right workout. Cycling and skipping can be effective forms of cardiovascular exercise that contribute to overall fat loss, including abdominal fat. However, it's important to note that reduction of fat from specific areas is not physiologically possible. Occurs systematically throughout the body when there is a caloric deficit. Doing these exercises over a period of time can help burn belly fat. Let's understand benefits of both the workouts. Benefits of cycling. Cycling is great for your body's flexibility. People with sedentary lifestyle can greatly benefit with this exercise. When it comes to melting fat slowly and sustainably, there is nothing quite effective as cycling. As per a new recent study, cycling every day may give a boost to overall fat loss and aids in managing weight. Doing this exercise for at least 30 minutes a day can bring long-term benefits in your fight with abdominal obesity. Cycling, apart from weight management, also helps in improving muscle strength and joint health. While cycling is for all age groups, one needs better fitness levels for skipping as it can put stress on joints. Cycling, however, may require equipment and offers lower upper body engagement compared to skipping. Who should do skipping for weight loss? Skipping is a high-intensity exercise that can lead to significant calorie burn in shorter time periods. But it may not be for everyone, or for that matter every age group. People who have knee issues should consult their doctor before trying this exercise. It also may not be suitable for elderly who have joint issues. Skipping rope engages both upper and lower body muscles, improves coordination and balance, and requires minimal equipment. However, skipping can put more stress on joints and may be more challenging for individuals with limited coordination or pre-existing joint issues. Both exercises can be effective for fat loss when performed regularly. The choice between cycling and skipping should be based on individual factors such as current fitness level, joint health, and any pre-existing medical conditions.